How to use AI to automate customer support at scale. What if your business could answer thousands of customer questions instantly, 24/7 without hiring a single extra rep? That's not a futuristic fantasy. That's AI-powered customer support, and it's changing the game for businesses everywhere. Traditional customer service is expensive, slow, and hard to scale. Long wait times, inconsistent answers, and burned-out agents cost businesses, customers, and money. Enter AI automation, the tool that turns support into a smart, scalable machine. Step 1. Implement AI chatbots. Platforms like Intercom, Zendesk, and Freshdesk offer AI-driven bots that handle common inquiries, refunds, order status, FAQs instantly. These bots learn from past interactions, improving over time and reducing human workload dramatically. Step 2. Use natural language processing, NLP. NLP allows bots to understand customer intent, even when questions are phrased differently. This means smarter, more human-like responses and fewer escalations. Step 3. Add AI-assisted human agents. When bots can't solve the issue, they pass it to a live rep with all the context already analyzed. That reduces handling time and improves customer satisfaction. Step 4. Leverage AI analytics. Behind the scenes, AI tracks patterns, flags issues, and suggests improvements in real time, so your support evolves with your customers' needs. Step 5. Integrate with your CRM. Connect your AI support system to platforms like HubSpot or Salesforce for a 360-degree view of the customer, enabling hyper-personalized service at scale. AI isn't here to replace your support team, it's here to supercharge it. If you're ready to scale smart, not just big, it's time to let AI take the front line. Want more tips on automating your business? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for weekly insights.